Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Talk. Today we will discuss about the cloud computing. First, to understand what is the cloud computing. Cloud computing is a on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. It is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include data storage, servers, database, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on proprietary hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software program to run it. That means cloud computing is a kind of computing where your resources is main resources or a lot of resources are available on the cloud, or you can say somewhere not in on your premises, not on your laptop, but it is available on the internet by accessing through internet, and all the data storage, networking, compute engine, etc., everything is available. Software, everything is available on the internet, and you can access them through the internet. Okay, next. And let's see the what is the cloud computing architecture. In the cloud computing architecture, you have mobile, laptop, printer, desktop, etc. on the uh, end user side, and in between there is router or switch to access the internet. And in the cloud, there are some cloud providers, okay, like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, IBM, etc. They are the cloud provider. They have virtual servers, virtual desktop, software platform, application and storage data, and many more available on the internet itself. And they are physically located at some place, region, or availability zone, which I will explain in the coming slide. And you can access all of these resources without purchasing a computer, without purchasing software, etc. Only thing you have to pay for using these resources. That is the benefit of the cloud resource, cloud computing. Here you can Here you can see the architecture of the data center of the cloud computing. These are the data center of the cloud computing. A data center is a building, a dedicated space within a building or a group of building used to house computer system and associated components such as telecommunication and storage system, etc. In the top, these two view are the view of data center from it's a aerial view of data center. It's the outside view of data center, and these two are the inside view of data center. Here you can see there's lot of rack in the many racks. There are a lot of machines or computer resource are placed. These are either hard drive or CPU or RAM or switch, etc. So they are placed in some of the data center. Okay. The cloud service has three types of models. First is the infrastructure as a service that provides virtualized computing resources. In the short, it is called IaaS or AAS. Second is a platform as a services, which we called is PaaS, or PaaS offers a platform for developers to build and deploy more applications. Infrastructure means you have machine, hardware, etc. Machine which is physically available in the data center, switch, RAM, hard disk. These are called infrastructure. Platform, in the platform part, operating system, middleware, these are called etc. are called platform as a service. A third service model is the software as a service. That means SaaS. SaaS delivers ready to use software application over the internet. There are some applications which are available in the internet for your usage. Okay. Now you can if we elaborate this one, then we can find there are this will become in this architecture. First, there is on-premises case. Second case is infrastructure as a service. That means either server, storage, networking, hardware part. This is provided by the cloud. Others are you are using your own. Okay. In the platform as a service, this hardware things as well as the runtime, middleware, operating system, and virtualization. These are provided by the cloud provider. Application and data or application and data are your in personal computer or your own server in on premises. In software as a service, you have everything. Everything is provided by the cloud provider. That means networking, storage, service, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, everything is provided by the cloud provider. A good example of SaaS is the Gmail service, where you are only using the you are using those Gmail software for sending, receiving mail, etc., and everything managed by the Google Cloud. Okay, then this is called the infrastructure. These three. This is called the platform, and this is the application. So infrastructure, platform, application are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. There are three. These are three service models. Now next, if you see the cloud deployment models, then there are three types of cloud deployment models. So either it is a public cloud, or it is a private cloud, or it is a hybrid cloud. In the public cloud, services are provided by third party vendors over the internet, offering scalability and cost efficiency. Users share resources with other organizations. That means a public cloud is available for everyone. You create a user ID and use the public cloud, creating your own ID, etc. But in the private cloud, infrastructure is dedicated to the single organization and providing greater control, security, and customization. In private cloud, infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization, providing greater control, security, and customization. In a private cloud, all resources are isolated and in control of one organization. Like when there is corporate company, they can have this private cloud in their on premises or maybe in some separate place. Okay, so it will be dedicated to the that organization only. While public cloud is available for all the public, but organization can use it, and it is cheaper than the private cloud. Third one is the hybrid cloud, which is the combination of this public and private cloud, which allow the data and applications to move seamlessly between them. That means there is some private part, private cloud. There is a public cloud, and there is communication between private and public cloud. This offers flexibility, optimal resource utilization, and data sovereignty. Some organization who is more concerned about the security or don't want to share their data in the public cloud, they can keep either the private cloud, which is costliest, or they can use the hybrid cloud, in which they can keep some important part and vital parts in the private cloud and something in the public cloud. Okay. Now these are the few major player in the cloud service providers. First one is the Amazon Web Service. AWS means Amazon Web Service, which is the uh, oldest service cloud service provider, established in 2006. That's why it has a maximum market. It has captured maximum market. Second is the Azure, provided by the Microsoft. Third is the Google Cloud, provided by the Google. And there are some others, IBM, Alibaba, Salesforce, and Oracle, etc. Okay. AWS capturing around 32% of the market space. The benefit of the cloud computing is, first benefit is the cost saving. It can save the cost. Whatever cloud service model you choose, you pay for the resources you actually use. Okay, that means suppose if you want to have some testing of video analytics kind of project, and for the purpose, if you go to buy a suitable server for doing the video analytics, then you have to purchase maybe a server of having cost of rupees 20 lakhs, and just for the testing purpose or doing some activity. While if you use the same thing in the cloud computing, you will be able to configure that kind of server in immediately, and also you can use, suppose we want to use only 1 month, then you have to pay only for the 1 month, so the cost will be much lesser. Scalability and flexibility. That means cloud computing gives you business more flexible. You can quickly scale resources and storage up to the meet business demands without having to invest in the physical infrastructure. That means you can quickly scale resources. That means if your hard disk size is 1 terabyte, due to some reason and some requirement, you want 5 terabyte of hard disk, then you can easily increase the size of the hard disk. Similarly, virtual machine capacity, you can increase the number of virtual machines as per requirement of the bio business. Third is the data loss prevention. Cloud provides our backup and disaster recovery features. Storing data in the cloud rather than locally can help prevent data loss in the event of emergency, such as hardware malfunction, malicious threats, or even a simple user. That means in the cloud, you can keep your data in multiple places. Another benefit of cloud computing is the data loss prevention. That means you can keep your data in multiple places, and that place can be a single availability zone, single region, single country, or multiple region, multiple zone, multiple country. In that way, you can keep the data safe from the losses. If data from one location is lost or damaged due to some malfunction, hardware malfunction, or due to any reason, you can restore data from different place. Okay, and the next is the advanced security. Despite popular perception, cloud computing can actually strengthen your security posture because of the depth and breadth of security features, automatic maintenance, and centralized management. There is a lot of monitoring tools available in the cloud, which can be used for monitor your infrastructure created by you. It can monitor your access to the data, who is accessing from different network, and who is doing anything which is unexpected. So there is monitoring tool. There are a lot of tools which can help in uh, preventing the access or providing the access, etc. Okay, so next is the faster time to market. Cloud Company supports new innovation by making it easy to test new ideas and design new application without hardware limitations and slow procurement process. Normally, for some testing and POC purpose, if you want to somehow purchase some high-end server, it will take a lot of time and it will take a lot of money. So but in the cloud, you can create it instantly, maybe in the 5 minutes, a high-end server, and you can do your testing. So that is a very good benefit of the cloud computing. Better collaboration. Cloud storage enables you to make data available anywhere you are, anytime you need, and instead of being tied to a location or a specific device, people can access data from anywhere in the world from any device as long as they are in the internet. Okay, so that has the benefit. You can access your data, your infrastructure from any location. That is possible. Okay. Next benefit is the better collaboration. That means cloud storage enables you to make available anywhere you are. You can access your resources from anywhere in the world. If you have a connection with the internet, you can access your resources from anywhere. So that is the benefit. But with the benefit, there are some limitations of the cloud computing also. First limitation is that it always relies on the internet connection. You must have the internet connection. Without internet connection, you will not able to use your cloud resources. Okay. Then next is the downtime. Sometimes some cloud provider, entire cloud provider services, or some of the specific services have the downtime. So though they resolve it, but there is some cases where downtime occurs. But there is solution also for this. You can use the multiple cloud. You can store data in the Amazon Web Service. You can store plus Google plus Azure. So in that way, this problem can be sorted out. Security risk. Security risk. There is possibility that somebody will hack your data because it is in the public place. So there is risk, but there is solution also. You can apply the apply the private key to access these, protect the resources with the password, and keep it properly secure the resource access through different way of securities. Integration complexity with existing system. There is some complexity. People need to understand how to integrate with the existing system, especially on the on-premises. Less control over underlying cloud infrastructure, because cloud infrastructure and service, etc., all this is managed by the cloud service provider. So you do not have the much control over that. So at most you can log a call to the service provider to solve your issues. This is the case. Unforeseen cost and unexpected expenses. That means sometimes cost of the uh, cost occurs which is not predictable, especially in the case of auto scaling. In auto scaling, if you applied auto scaling in using virtual machine or data storage or database, in that case, on specific demand of the customer or market, if resource utilization increases up to a certain higher level and decreases back to your normal level. In that case, this unforeseen the cost occurred cannot be planned earlier. But benefit is that your customer will be more satisfied in that case. So still, cost is definitely increased, but your customer uh, will not suffer under this case. Risk of vendor locking. So in some cases, there are uh, some vendors are there whose software is being used by you. So if you want to migrate to cloud, in that case, there is lock-in with the vendor. You have to update the software provided by the vendor, and in that case, you have to deal with them also. Biggest cloud computing trends in 2023 is the multi-cloud hybrid cloud deployment, then cloud security, disaster recovery, Internet of Things, microservices, Docker Kubernetes, edge computing, the AI and ML powered cloud, low code, no code cloud services, evolution of cloud gaming and blockchain. These are the sub trends, biggest trend 2023. And what are the jobs available in the cloud computing? Is the first a cloud architect who designed the overall cloud infrastructure at the organization level and design the scalability, security, efficiency. And the cloud developer who developed the applications optimized with the cloud environment. Okay, then DevOps engineer who performs the activity or do the planning and creating the CI/CD pipelines. Then cloud security engineers is specialized in safeguarding cloud resources and data by implementing security measures. So the security engineers is also very important. Data engineer, the manage optimize the flow of data within the cloud systems, enabling efficient data processing and analysis. Because there is a situation when you have to bring the data from different resources to the single place, and from there you have to do the analytics, etc. by the cloud scientist, data scientist. Cloud Operation Manager oversees the day-to-day operation of the cloud service, monitoring performance, resolving issues as they arise. So these are some of the major important job roles in the cloud computing. Thank you very much for listening. Please like, subscribe, and share the video, and so that you will be able to see more such videos. Thank you very much.